Beyond guidance, driving intelligent agriculture. This is HD-818 Auto Steering System. Quality hardware is the cornerstone of operational efficiency. The HD-818's large 14-inch edge-to-edge display, boasting 1920x1080 resolution and 800 nit brightness, ensures crystal clear visibility of every detail, even in direct sun. Split-screen display for easy, at-a-glance information. With 8 GB RAM and 64 GB storage, performance is smoother. The new leather steering wheel, with its ergonomic design, can be equipped with an optional spinner knob, paddle shifters, and custom buttons for an unparalleled driving experience. The all-new integrated receiver seamlessly combines multi-source differential and satellite-based augmentation, guaranteeing constant connectivity and preventing farming delays. HD-818, born open, built compatible. Engineered with ISOBUS support, the HD-818 seamlessly integrates across the entire crop cycle, from tillage and planting to management and harvest. Its plug-and-play design ensures instant connectivity with tractors, harvesters, and self-propelled sprayers of all brands, ushering farming into a fully intelligent era. It offers 2 cost-effective pathways to automation, steer-ready, and hydraulic valve navigation kits, significantly slashing retrofit costs. With GNSS land leveling system and 6 hydraulic valves for precise 3D control, the system delivers centimeter-level accuracy across an iterate. Platform connectivity for intelligent control. The HD-818 unlocks seamless, data-driven control by integrating with the HD Digital Agriculture Platform. Watch as real-time operational data transforms single machine tasks into holistic farm management, enabling smarter decisions and unparalleled efficiency. Intelligence for every season, precision to the core. Powered by advanced visual guidance, the HD-818 masters inter-row cultivation, crop protection, and fertilization, dramatically expanding its value across the seasons. HD-818 supports A-B line, parallel curves, diagonal harrowing, circular paths, and other route planning methods to meet the needs of different operation types. Its automatic headland turning function ensures smooth transitions between rows. A 360 degrees surround view provides complete surround visibility for confident and safe operation. An optional smart spraying system further elevates performance through intelligent path planning and real-time flow control, ensuring precise application for superior job quality and crop uniformity. The HD-818 also features implement guidance, automatically optimizes vehicle steering based on implement trajectory, ensuring accurate fieldwork without deviation. HD-818 Auto Steering System, beyond guidance, driving intelligent agriculture.